control. That's Santa arrived.
I didn't see you there. Hello, all you boys and girls. It's Santa Claus. I trust the elves have been hard at work to make sure that Victoria Square sparkles with Christmas magic. It's so exciting. Unfortunately, we have to head straight back up to the North Pole to finish final preparations and, of course, shine Rudolph's nose in time for the biggest night of the year. I'm so very, very sad that you can't come down and see me in the Victoria Square grotto this year, but I am getting rather old, you know, and Mrs. Claus has been rather insistent that I do stay in the North Pole. But don't you worry, there's still plenty of Christmas magic all over the center. I have my elves to keep an eye on you, and here at Victoria Square, a special postbox where you can post your letters to make sure that they reach Santa Claus in time. Now remember to be early to bed on Christmas Eve, and no peeping, especially you. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!